the bus, take the bus. I saw them do it over here. Yeah, when war day, I don't know. You know much fight me, you know much war me I go for my picnic them. But clot, who? A girl and a boy said them gonna fight me. And me turn around and don't see me car key. So me say when my car key, my son him left him car and take my truck. And full that a blood clot girl and boy. Me I go to Instagram there and see my son. Me said my son hold the boy in the blood clot fence. Me say me never know say my boy I can't thumb so. My boy say whoop in them face. Me say my son hold my son sister blue. Me say wait there wait. I call my son and I say when this a fight I broke him say the same day me miss the same day me say your chuck key. Me say if in the beat you. If in the beat you couldn't get my plate of food from me again. My son put on some blood clot fight pan internet. Trust me. When a good all I watch my son a fight, I beat some boy. But I ask Christ. The same one we are studying for going to the army. How do you? You think say no big old girl in America can say Suzy come pull up? Yes sir. My pitney them ready. My pitney them friend ready. Me have some little stone and blood clot rock. When you lick them with stone, they now broke. You lick them with board. Them girl, Yankee girl tough. Them a take all 10 blood clot board face lick and run up on you. And whoop on you. And them little girl let me carry. How I don't know. You think say none of only can me know say girl they will live down the road. I get up every day I do be a blood clot chatting around there in England and run off on the mount. Everybody live next door. If you don't have car, jump on train and bus and go just war it out. You know see son a big blood clot idiot. Not idiot man. Only never worth it. And people sit on live and watch on the day and night to argue. That's why I look upon myself and I say me is a leader. Me now make no blood clot big pussy clitoris girl all me out. Cause oh, that's why them not like me. That's why them not like me, Regine. Bad to bad, at least me have a mind of my own. And to me have a mind of my own, them turn around and say I'm mad. But remember me tell them say I'm not mad, but bipolar. You understand? Mad people are when they're out of garbage. Mad people don't have money in the account and drive good vehicle. And take care of them pitney. And what do you? Right through this, so. I'm bipolar. I'm supposed to bipolar. I'm living in a bipolar country. I'm a all my government them bipolar. Right through this, so. So I'm supposed to bipolar. But me now there England and get up every day war. And I run up my blood pressure, my heart race, and all them something there. And you know say the girl live this one and this one and you know roll out. Just roll out man and just show everybody who bad from who no bad. And that's the thing they saw. Who want pull ear, juke out ear, tear out nose. Just go along bad. Just go on bad. And show everybody. And then after that, me I tell you the war done. The war go done on the internet. The two side, everybody war go done because everybody live near. But you don't know say such and such live there and I run off for the mouth every day. Just grabbing a blood clot and say, girl, me tell you blood clot bullshit now, you know. A war, I want war, you know. And that's how the thing said for me. But now I'm giving them like girl, yeah. And I can't catch them. I can't catch them blood clot to shut off one of them big toe. How do you? Okay, yeah, my daughter play music, and she, you know?
A lie.
And she a find music and a play.
Tell her to find the artist one them.
She just a tap on everything on her tablet. Act like she a big woman and she not reached 2 yet. Watch her. Big woman, you know everywhere me go with her.
Jabari, a leader.
Oh, girl, you know, go lay down. Go and lay down. You're not hungry. Your belly full, your beard. Go lay down. You're too spoiled. Go lay down. Them girl on a bad man, Ukku. Me not ask Christ. Them girl on a bad. Me can't understand say everybody then live near. And everybody at the war every day and nobody now get up and go war. Them a war, you know, and this and then the idiot them. Men a blood clot, puss teen, dog teen, drunker teen, Tina teen, Tanya team, no blood clot team, you only SUZY team. Right there, so. Me a only team right there, so. Me said that so me a read blood clot bad girl in a real life. Remember me tell you that. Me a only team. A team by myself. But no girl can steer me head. Me steer my own a blood clot steering wheel. Right through the so. Remember me tell you that. And a real talk. The baby good enough, mama. Baby good, she the right here, so the queen there, so mama. The queen the right here, so. When they on the internet, I cuss all people, baby, everybody. I cuss all the people, baby, when I put up all people, baby. Una idiot and people rate to know. People rate uno. And me with that reality, uno no uno want come talk about my mother. Uno go, yo, uno go suck on the mother. Me no mad, me bipolar. Me bipolar, me shot anyone on the blood clot mouth. I mean, I ask Christ. If you come in front of me and you see me face in a real life, you don't want not the prison. Remember me tell you now, me stab out on the eye and kill you now. And me am the eyeball. When every day you get up on the cuss people picking up on the internet. Picking them now nothing to do with this blood clot war I go on. Una idiot, una fool, una kuno mono, una not bad in a real life. Una not bad. Remember me tell you now, una bad. Yeah, una bad. They get up and cuss kids every day. The whole of the cuss kids every day, you know. Innocent kids every day, you know, virgin. And feel like this cute, you know. Every day you get up on the cuss, God pitney them, you know. Every day you get up on the cuss, God pitney, you know. Every day you get up on the cuss, God pitney, you know. Big dirty stinking lazy girl, you know. Every day you get up on the cuss, God pitney, you know. From one to all and think that blood clot cute, you know. It no matter the circumstance where blood clot war we are going, let me pick them out of this. Who if you just get up off on a big stinking clitoris stink drain pussy. Magic pussy. What magic a crawl out of. And just say, you know what, me no blood clot care me, I take the train and go war a girl ya. But left you them out of the war, virgin. You them that have nothing to do with the war them we are going. And you see all the followers, them say no. You know me looking at things, them say, you see if you have a platform and use a bad influence, you're gonna have negative blood clot follower. That's why you see when them rub me out, me no gear less of no blood clot run me out, you know. Cause me can't just blood clot show some money on the blood clot face and go say go feed on the hungry belly blood clot and come off from my name. I'm going to drink champagne for my name too and put some respect for my name. Come in a rate to the bridging. Every day you come on the internet, the whole I know, because you know one of them that pick me. Lower the youth them. The youth them now have nothing to do with this. And this are the things, say, remember, you know, me see people say my son a batty man, you know. And congratulations to me youth and give me a nice blood clot grandbaby, you know, no come yet, you know. Everybody just build up story for everybody blood clot youth, you know, and say, oh, yo, SUZY son a Batman, my son them kill Batman. My son them what all the dirt where blood clot Batman walk pan my son them shovel and shoot. Them use the shovel and take up the dirt where Batman walk pan and shoot up the blood clot dirt. Straight up. Leave the kids them out of the blood clot war. Stop put up the kids them on the blood clot internet. You say if una do YouTube and no see kids, una black out the pit in them face no matter what. Leave the kids them. You say one to talk about all my youth them. You think you never see me come on the internet and say, boy, them a talk about my kids them. No, me not cry, me not fret, me not talk about it. Because I see what you know, the more we not talk about my youth. Cause remember, you know, who say my youth a Batman, you know, who don't know me picking them from nowhere, nowhere. No blood clot where. My boy picking them fucking no fist of pussy in a condom. My boy picking them a hot boy. Cute, nice. Any blood clot girl see them want suck them cocky. I don't put all Batman, me tell you no. Who just sit down, say, you know what? Me not have nothing upon Suzy. Me not have nothing upon such and such. Me a bill a lie. Me frighten when me hear people I say my youth them a Batman. I be a laugh, me youth them laugh off of them. I say, mommy, yeah. You think the Batman can come in my face? I kill them and beat them blood clot. And my boy them not see Batman them. Cause which part me come from? Nobody can down there act like a ishi. Go and go lay down. Go and go sleep. Go and go lay down. Go sleep. You're not go on the ground. You're not go on the ground. You pull up the place. You're a bad little girl. Go to bed. Sleep. Right through there, so. Love the youth them. Youth them have to fuse. I don't want to come. I remember saying me, I only say my mad enough. I only say my mad enough. I never tell you to say my mad enough. I say my bipolar. You see what I say? And me now, want to say mad, I've said, so no say, for leave Pitney out of war, for Pitney have nothing to do with it. Because you see when me did I grow up, and my mother, and nobody in a war, me still have to talk to the neighbor. Una pass the limit. Una no real bad girl. Real bad girl no put kids in a war. Una chat him out. Una go suck on the mother. Me will kill one on the blood clot in a real life. Me get you know. Me we kill one on in a blood clot real life and me get you no blood clot. Remember me tell you that. Lick off on the head with all the blood clot trouble and make it roll down the blood clot hill. You hear me? I went to roll me just blood clot bullet up it. Suck your mother. Lick off your head, make it roll like a sucker. I use it on blood clot. Say score, bolt. Your mother. Go ahead, man. It's not bad. They just get up with the internet badness. Pitney. What Pitney have to do with this every day? Oh, you're Pitney this, you're Pitney that, you're Pitney. When it come like a blood clot hyena every day. And then now blood clot do not know, then now war, then now do not know. Alexa, find me Cocomelon, please. What the fuck wrong with her now? Ready to get up, when I think on a body. On a body now. Let me say the same out will bring you, the same out bring you back. Me don't want a friend from Uno. Boy, Uno no US dollar or pounds. Boy, Uno can't do nothing for me. Uno a big blood clot crab in a barrel. Uno go shit up like a crab on one another. Uno go. Bomba clot. Me can't buckle feel any girl in a KMP and any boy. Right through there, sir. Me's a blood clot soldier. On the sound of bad. And none of England can come out and go war. Me not see none of the chew on a blow. I don't care meet all a club. We don't have to fight in the people party and mashed up. Just fight outside and done. So why come out and cuss and war if a blood clot there? And chew a word. You don't push the blood clot weight. But I mean, you don't want this. Hey, girl, you don't go, man. You don't go big stinking pussy hole. You don't go. You don't big bumble hole. You don't big pussy hole. I don't want nobody on the internet for like me. Just pray for I and I. You hear me say? If a fool no likes and love, me no need it. A Father God love and likes me, you want. You hear me? And the Bible says pray for no enemy, you know. If you pray bad, you're not going to see a reward. Right through this, so. You understand what I say? So number one, when you not talk about pitney this and pitney, somehow don't know none about the people them blood clad pitney. When you just be a lie, come. When you just be a blood clot lie. I don't want to fame, I don't want to no follower. I no dirty thinking follower believe you know. No go ahead. Here. Here go your buckle. Girl don't want nothing, you know me.
Why? Why should I want to Suzy?
All this time, them people are war a blood clot England and war everywhere. And nobody can jump in a car and a bomber clad place and go war. Every day, them a war from what? 2, 3 years or whatever it be. And I know me can't see no fight broke. And everybody live near to each other. Everybody a call police for each other. Only for us come out and war. Only for us come out and war. And that's the thing there. Only put on a blood clot, teddy and a ties and going on a bra and war. This a one you go over there, so this a one you go over this a team. Me and my own blood clot SUZY team. Me can't fight my own battle. Me don't need nobody for war for me. Right through there, so. You're not at the bed with the juice like a girl. Every day. Pitney this, pitney that. Wanna put up people pitney. Wanna put up this, wanna put up that, wanna put up that. Wanna bring down on yourself. Because God has said, look there. Wanna bring down people pitney and phone. Remember someone put me no better into, you know. Me never have a pitney go to prison or jail, you know. And me see people that cost me and them boy pitney lock up. Me don't know if I feel rape. Me don't know what's the circumstance where them lock up for. But
Suzy,
that's what
hold on the 1 minute.
Hold on, yeah, man.
Pretty girl fashion, why you do over here? Me and no team Post, me and no team Dan, me and no team Tanya, me and no team Steph, me and no team nobody. I just want me and no team Post, so why you do over here?
Leave her alone, make she stay, man. You have to make the pestilent them stay. Mama, listen to me now, man. The internet learned me a lot, you know, mama. You see negative follower, negative platform bring negative follower. Most of these people them is because the negative platform turn them are good people, but it turn them idiot and them mentality. Remember that me them say mad enough. And I me come out and say me not mad enough, I'm bipolar. You understand? You know why I want to be bipolar? Because you see when a pestilence come in on my head and say, Suzy, I want you to go cuss out out Tanya, you know. I'm wife go cuss out Dan, you know. I'm wife go cuss out Ukku, you know. I'm wife go cuss out Steph. I'm wife go stuff out the whole blood clot world, you know. Me look at me say no to blood clot, you know. Remember, you know, a personality, me I tell you, you know. Bipolar carry personality. When people say you're mad, you know, you're near out of garbage pan. You don't have nothing going for yourself. Hold on there. Yo! Lay down. Why you fucking bed? Why you bed? For you're not hungry, you be here this morning, you get a nice cornmeal porridge, go on in your bed. You now come down in the room to come pull it up but me just clean. So here the thing you know why me say for run them, must run them mama and say Pink Passion want be any team she go and be her team. Cause anybody be a team is not a blood clot leader. That's why me love my bipolar. Watch your pre now, mama. Watch your blood clot pre you know. Them do some bomb and they want control my blood clot brain, you know. Like Saddam Hussein, you know. I'ma say, remember me and being like the blood clot that time, you know. Hey girl, hey boy, all you have to control my brain. So 1 minute me there with you over there, so I see you start chat, be a fucker, I'm just staying in your blood, in my blood clot head. Me say, yo, you cannot be my leader. I'ma tell you that. You cannot be my leader. And that's how the vexation start and the war start. Because me no feel like say, my mother brought me up for a girl to come turn me in a kunamuna and say, yo, I want you to cuss the whole everybody. No. So you have to leave them if they want to be puss this and puss drunk or puss dog. They want to be team this, team that, and make them beat. Don't run them.
Pretty girl fashion. I don't want you over here, girl. I don't want you on my phone. So just take yourself away from my life. I don't want you over here. Just take yourself away from my life. Pretty girl fashion, just take yourself away from my life. Please and thank you. Take yourself away from my life. Go over your team. Go over your team, them. Me and no team. I got no team. So you go over your team. Pretty girl fashion. The whole of the bagger on Bumble social media. Alright, okay, you have to get off my live now. I'm gonna block you. Pretty girl fashion go suck your mother. Some more block you, they go suck your mother, dirty woman. Go over there, so. Go suck out your mother, dirty woman. The dog, you cock up over the dog shit, doing it. Dirty woman, go over blood clot there, so don't come over my blood clot live. Dirty woman. You can't even show your blood clot face, dirty woman. Dirty woman, you can't show your blood clot face, dirty woman.
You a fool and fuck. Little girl.
Dirty woman. Where each up on my
How pretty girl attack? What she
let me
say?
shut up. Let me shut up.
That's what me tell you, say, listen to mama, man. You see, there's most of them people, as what me say.
Basically, she not talk to me because she can't show her blood clot ugly face. She can't show her ugly face. She can't show her ugly face, and them live for this bomber clad internet. And pretty girl fashion cannot talk to me. She cannot speak and spoke to me. I'm not asking you. I'm telling you, Suzy.
Mama, you see all pretty girl fashion now, me wanna argue with her.
Yeah,
Right
cause
now,
yeah,
you know
you're
why I
right,
wanna argue
Suzy.
with she right now?
You're right.
She's not me 15,000 tax money we are dropping on my account 3 weeks
You're
time
right.
from this. So
You're
me
right.
not argue with she. If it's me, money even argue with she, as I me say, leave her alone. She want catch the news, bring her anywhere, do anything. I
No,
fear
she
up
not
in here
supposed to
that.
catch. She not supposed to catch the news on the dark shit live. She's supposed to go over there. Yeah, I was waiting for her. She not supposed to catch the news over here. Dirty woman. Dirty blood clot woman. My black hair, your blood clot. Dirty woman. The earth is so blood clot real. When I have time to argue with them, Suzy. I know them.
We
We know
sort
these
of
dark shit
everything,
from
mama.
anywhere, Suzy.
Eh?
Let me say. My
None of
team
my
post. I'm no
energy.
blood clot team post. Me and no team blood clot post. Me and
Me
no
no
team
push
dog.
dog,
Me
push
and no
drunk,
team.
bro. Push
Me and
dead
no
dog. Me
team
no
this.
want be
Me
no
and
blood
no team
clot
blood
team.
clot that. Me a team. Me a team. I'm a man. I'm a man. I'm a blood clot team. Me and no team. That must say.
Can put on my pot. A girl can pay me rent. A girl can put money in my account. So me no want no blood clot team. I me not beg friend from nobody. Nobody. Not chattings. Right through there, so.
Me a team, my man. Me and a team, nobody.
And every day I get up. Enough of them gotta go send some strokes and kill them now
she
for
just come
blood
over
clot.
here. She just come over here and I cock up her big stinking pussy over here. Where come cock up your big stinking pussy over
And
here?
number one, you argue some of we argue with people. Them now come on live and they now press
No,
foot around.
no bumper
Same
clock
page with
every
this
day,
shit. No make
every day,
sense.
yeah, bump. Every day, now on a cock up on a blood clot self over here. Why you cock up yourself over here? Go over
Me I
there,
tell her
man. Go
mama,
somewhere
me dey
else.
on one Ukku, me dey on one American platform last night and me I tell her some enjoy the platform. Only Jamaican woman bring tear down each other. Only Jamaican woman. Me not know if all them grew, only them alone tear down each other. Then tear down each other, act like them better off, and people, and some of them not better. You check them blood clot and be a dirt each up in them blood clot house corner. Some of them top dirty, them toilet bowl and be a rim round it. They not buy scratch bright and come on the internet and them tear down on the hole. Go be teaming on the hole, clean up on the pussy and talk about our team. On a blood clot team, on a walk with gun. Who team what? On a warrior. On just internet blood clot bad. And there's some here upon a girl and use a machine. And that's how the thing go. You think every day get up on the internet and tear down each other and tear down one another. Uno feel like say that is something good. About una team. Uno create, you know. And this mad woman achieved so much in life that I'm telling you. I'm so yeah, me telling you something, big pussy girl, why me and a blood clot team is a leader. Them have something them court defender, big old girl, if you don't know that. You see, if you want to go up on blood clot robbery, talk about now SUZY team. So me not bring team. Team is a loser. Can you see court defender when the when you go at police bring you out, get you and investigate the next person. The blood clot team bring you down. Can you see when you go front of the blood clot judge and the judge say you want a SUZY? Your team tell me said you the first person the blood clot trigger. So at the same time,
And then you
blood clot idiot.
then SUZY, then you charge for conspiracy cause your team.
Right. And also charge a second degree murder. A lot of people look it up. Look up what is a court defender, people. Look what is a court defender. Court defender is coming like a team. Team come like it's a gang member. Me not do them something there. You see, anything me do in a real life, me want me alone do it. You understand? At the end of the day, me no want none of you to go stitch out because team are the first person. Anybody personal snitch on the boss. Me I tell you. For when the police say, boy, me I get 25 years, you're not going to see your husband or you're not going to see your kids them no more. Them start say, you know, say the boss first, they do it, bro. Or the boss first. So me know you're not team, nothing. If a girl diss me, I'm want to rub them out and cuss out them with my blood clot, me I go do it. But me a real gangster. So me know no girl, you hate me. Show me say me is not a team. Only hate me because me say me don't want no leader. Me don't want a girl where come and contempt for go cuss out everybody. No, me don't want that. If you don't feel like so you want to no blood clot platform to build up every day if you come and cuss out people to build up on a platform, go stuck with no mother. Me am own a boss. And it's supposed to be like that. Every individual female, she's supposed to be them own a blood clot basketball team. What kind of team we not talk about? I must have the blood clot tea on a blood clot drink. And what do you know? No girl can pussy me. You see when me a blood clot sleep, you not smell my crutches when me a blood clot sleep at night time. For the dep on internet 24 hours and have nothing for blood clot though. You not get up and say, boy, I'm going to try and make some money, you know. I'm going to try to go lick a $5,000, you know. You understand? Me say someone wanna rub out me and talk about, remember say me used to bring blood clot man and me yard come rare. Me used to live in a 3 blood clot bedroom and yeah, me used to bring the man and rob them. Me none of the man them they never used to fuck me in my hole. It's different, you know, from a thief and from a whore. You understand? It's different from a blood clot slut and a whore, different from a robber. Me a blood clot taker. Me is a taker. Me is not a slutter. You understand? You say me blood clot, put on me tight, me nice, tights on me nice, and dress up on a pussy hole, see me and like me. And say, baby, me like you, and I say, yeah, me like you too, you know. Right? And me can bring a man there in a man of one of my bedroom, and blood clot drinks him and knock him out and rob him blood clot pocket. You think none of the big pussy girl can give me no 5,000? Me rob them blood clot, me is a taker. I'm not a sucker or a fucker. Me prefer take more and go slut down the place and catch blood clot disease. Remember me come out pan Dr. Love, you know, and tell on the son for suck cocky in a blood clot condom, you know. But no found the girl did a suck cocky be a back. Remember me come pan Dr. Love and tell on how much money me thief from man, you know. Remember enough found the girl in my inbox and ask me what's my remedy, you know. Blood clot set me up. Okay, mama, your teeth are bad or she a teeth. Let me get your teeth in something, hush. So only can come styler. Only can style my virgin. Wanna tell me how me tell you no? You know, every little thing will give you. Ukku, go and tell them, mama, me a come. Let me look for your pipe pacifier. Down the way up. Down the way up.